The video captures a busy loading dock area where forklifts are actively operating. A warehouse worker wearing a high-visibility safety vest is seen bending over to inspect a large box on a pallet right in a high-traffic aisle. At the same time, a red forklift begins backing out from a blind spot due to obstructed sight lines and a lack of situational awareness. The forklift accidentally strikes the worker, knocking him to the floor. Fortunately, the driver stops immediately, narrowly avoiding a severe incident. This close call serves as a stark reminder of the importance of OSHA protocols. Forklift operators must maintain 360-degree awareness, especially when reversing, and horn use is mandatory. Pedestrians must never work in vehicle lanes, and management must clearly delineate pedestrian walkways from forklift zones using floor tape to minimize risks. This footage captures a severe industrial accident inside a manufacturing facility. While operating a large stamping press, a female worker became momentarily distracted and looked away from her station. Due to this lapse in focus, she placed her hand inside the hazardous zone just as the heavy press came down with immense force. In a split second, her arm was caught and severely compressed by the machinery. The incident occurred so quickly that the worker had no time to react, resulting in devastating injuries. This video serves as a powerful wake-up call regarding the critical importance of strict adherence to safety protocols. When operating machinery, a single second of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences, costing an individual their health and physical livelihood. Security footage captures a severe workplace safety incident inside a manufacturing facility when a worker in a red vest approached a high-speed industrial paper reeling machine to clear defective paper from the rotating spindle. Lacking proper safety tools and misjudging the immense pulling force, the worker was suddenly caught by the roller and drawn into the spinning machinery. A nearby coworker rushed to press the emergency stop button and alerted personnel to free the trapped worker. This highlights critical safety takeaways. Strict lockout-tagout compliance is mandatory as no one should clear jams or touch rotating components while equipment is operational. Workers must maintain safe clearance from active spindles, and everyone must know the exact location of emergency stop buttons. This workplace safety video captures a dangerous incident inside a machine shop, where an operator attempts to step onto a large, active vertical turret lathe. Instead of executing a controlled movement, the worker attempts to leap over the massive chuck while it is rotating at high speed. Due to momentum and the unstable moving surface, the operator instantly loses their balance, slips, and falls into a pit directly adjacent to the machine. A fall of this nature carries a high risk of severe personal injury. This footage serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of strictly adhering to safety protocols. In complex industrial environments, bypassing guidelines due to rushing complacency or failing to assess hazards results in severe consequences. To ensure well-being, operators must maintain high situational awareness and avoid unsafe shortcuts. This video captures a chaotic first-day mishap where a worker climbs a tall palm tree next to a two-story house to trim it with a chainsaw. Due to a lack of experience, the severed top crashes directly into a second-story window, shattering it. The momentum causes the remaining trunk to whip violently, flipping the man upside down where he dangles precariously. This incident serves as a serious workplace safety warning for high-risk tasks. First, tree trimming near structures requires proper training and expert supervision, not unguided beginners. Second, thorough risk assessment and calculating the fall path are vital to prevent property damage. Finally, using proper safety gear like an anchored harness is essential when working at such dangerous heights.